Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to customize a website on Squarespace, how to customize and create a website on Squarespace for party supplies and favors business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, or if you want to see templates, so let's start from here. You can change here, choose the topic and the type of your business. So you can choose all templates if you don't find it here, and the type online store. You can choose one of these templates here. You can start with one of these here templates, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started from here and let's go. So here you can type your business name, type any name for party supplies and favors business as you like. Here you have to build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the intro section must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your homepage website looks attractive and better. You can do anything to make it looks better and attractive, to pull and attract more people and attract more clients. Here you're gonna add page to your site. Choose the color. You can choose any color match with your business. You can choose any color you like from here. Now choose the font and let's finish this. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something, add the description, add the details about your website, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip from here and edit this. If you want to edit your uh, your website, click here edit, and the first thing here you can change this, the text here, introduce your brand. For example, you can type anything. Welcome, for example, welcome to our site for party supplies. And favors business, like this. Now you can go here, you can change the text on this label. Now you can go to the section, you can edit it from here, the background. You can select just a simple art, or if you want to add the image as a background, go here and search for party supplies. So um, okay, I'm gonna choose this. So you can choose anything you like to make your sites looks attractive. You can change here the colors. Now let's move on to the next section. here you can change, you can add item, you can manage the link editor section, and if you want to design it, you can design here the wave intensity and change the text size. That's it. Now let's move on to this section. First you have to delete this image, add another one here. So search on free image for party supplies. I'm gonna choose this for example. This text here, you can change the paragraph. So you can do anything to make your site looks attractive. Now you go to the background and select just a simple art here. Also here you can add just a simple art on the background. Here you can change this image and add instead of this image you can add a map, for example. Push it here. So if you want to edit it, you can change the business name and the address and the city and the state and the country. You can change the design of this map. And the last step is add the background, just simple art like this. And now let's move on. This is the last section on this website. So click here, edit section, go to the background, and now you can add just a simple art. You can change the location and the hours and the contact. So that's it. Now if you don't from here, you can just save this and customize the price and add the products to your inventory. After this, add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on your homepage on Squarespace for party supplies and favors business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.